Yay, Homer!
Happening for the day.
Yeah.
Freezing. That's what's happening. No, we have a 2 350s out for hire, I believe. So we're just here changing some tyres and looking after customers.
How are you?
How good you?
Yeah, not too bad. Get some tyres and stuff ready for today's tyres.
Yeah.
Like the normal dash ones shouldn't really have too much trouble being so cold, but drive halfway around the corner, kick the clutch, get it sideways. Yeah. Mine just dibble, come down straight like 130, move pretty quick, so you don't move forward and run it and pull out there, exit over there. Pretty well you start drifting at the first corner and at this last hand. So pretty well we don't do the downhill section reasonably.
So we got here after lunch and Buyer already made a progress in the car, and we're gonna start the hydraulic handbrake now. The brand from US is called SICK. I'm using also the same handbrake on my FD car, the S15, and we're gonna install in these cars and all the school cars we're planning to install this year. And we're using the 09 bracket. It's a billet bracket. It's pretty nice cut. 09 here. They not heavy, you know, but I think we already use on one car here, so we didn't have any issue. And we're gonna install in this car. So Buyu is gonna take out the brake shoes system to install. Probably gonna take this cover off. Probably gonna leave the stock handbrake so we can use for parking brake. Yeah, you're gonna install the bracket, the other side here. Put the caliper. It's the same brake rotors, you know, change anything. The caliper is a Wheelwood. It's a really good brand for calipers. It's a small version, so you don't have to run something too big, you know. So bracket, caliper, and the hydraulic handbrake. I'm gonna show you guys the other side. Brake. It's a really nice done. And my one's actually green. So before they released the handbrake, I got my one, and they released like a month after, so it was really fun to have some things not really for sale. So we would master, that's the perfect size for, and it's pretty nice done, laser cut and everything. And also we're running the same brand for brake lines, so the brake lines are already ready to go, all the fittings and bolts here, so we just have to store in the car. And this is the best part, everyone loves this. Wood caliper is a really big brand in US, everyone uses for race, drift and any other motorsport. So they have already brake pads on, it's a brand new, and so it's a full set.
E aí, Buiu, deu certo aí?
Deu certo, mano. Filé. Só fazendo acabamento agora aqui dos bagulho que teve que mudar. Como o freio de mão vai lá pra dentro, tem que trocar os bagulhos de lugar. Entendeu?
Nossa.
Ah, vai. Filé.
Coisa boa.
E aí, mano?
Qual foi o português que deu aí hoje?
Já estamos com a criança aqui pra fora. Agora terminar de tirar os... Terminar de tirar os periféricos aí em volta. E é isso aí. Começamos, já tá tudo desmontado aqui. Mas tem coisa ainda, né? Até agora não vimos nenhuma surpresa, mas... Sempre é bom revisar, né? Tem que revisar, né?
Sempre tem coisa pra fazer, na verdade.
Carro de Dorifto.
Pode mexer no carro ou vou trabalhar?
Pode mexer?
And the other side, you can see we have a really famous drift missile. So as a Cresta, it's a Cresta 90. This car came from Mike Racing. The owner is actually from US, is Luis Lenz. He's a driver over from Drift HQ. And this car needs to get ready for Matsuri, April. So we have around 2 months to get this car done. And we're just gonna put the car on the hoist now, have a look what can go wrong during the Matsuri and what we can make sure the car will be drivable, you know, because this car has been drive for 2 times I think already in Matsuri, and it's have a really like hard time, you know. This car already had 2 clutches trouble on these 2 trips. I think it's time to put an ORC clutch on this car, better clutch, because always we were just putting like a stock clutch, upgrade disc on the car, so it's not good enough. They're using 18-inch on the back, so it's a lot of stress for the clutch. And you know, we talk about 7 days driving non-stop. So Buyu and Steve is gonna put the car on the hoist. Steve have another car over there, probably is gonna put the first hoist here to have a look. It's a different customer, and this car have a reverse angle kit on the front. So it's really good. Have a cage already, but we have to weld the harness bar on the back. This car have a lot of the clutch issue, fuel oil leaks here and there, plays on the back, on the arms and the front. So we just want to make sure the car is good. Luis Lenz also is a prospect driver in US, and we just want to make sure the car is good for him to come over and have fun without trouble.